This movie studio is way too big for the both of us DJ Grooves. The movie should be made by real birds. What do you mean? You moon penguins are just gonna write some loud, noisy drive if I wanted a bunch of picnics to dance around while on a bird seed. I'd visit me children, but you mean
Nonsense, darling, nonsense.
but we
You Express Owls are just going to record another boring train and mini western. You've done so for the last 10 years, darling.
oh yeah, on script. What? No, we haven't.
Conductor, darling, this year we'll be winning the annual Bird Movie Award as our new movie props will bring in the audiences. These shiny things fell from the sky. They will light our movie sets and fill them with glimmer.
Oh yeah. Well, this movie studio was way too big for the both of us. This time around, we also splicing it up with these whole glasses things inside the jewelry in the train east western the Bible.
What? You're no good to any picnics. You copy our props. But I would never, darling. Clearly, you're the one who took inspiration from our flashy new props. That doesn't. Get out of here with your I've got a movie to record. Fine by me, darling. But we'll be the ones who win the annual movie bird award. Mark my word. Oh yeah? Let's see how well you do when you can't get into the reception. Oh wait, shouldn't your picnic since I will in the studio force them to work harder. Alright, time to go, owls. Let's make our killer movie. Oh, and the receptionist, can you please close that vent already? I don't want the smell of penguin to come anywhere near my crew. Oh no, there's no more birds. I wanted to ask the receptionist guy a question, but he hasn't acknowledged me at all. But now I've been standing here for so long, it would be awkward to start up a conversation. Dog dicks. I really suck at interacting with other birds. Magnificent, stunning. This trophy is everything I desire on the shelf in my living room. Of course, this big trophy is just a plastic replica. The actual trophy is really tiny. Oh my, what is this I see? Is it true inner beauty? An innocent soul with a heart of gold? Screwball. Yeah, screwball wives up in here. Oh no, it's just a little girl. Hello. Oh wait, you're not a penguin. That's good. I could use some non-penguin company around here, as all my penguins are frankly terrible actors. DJ Goes Fanny, subscribe. Here's the biz. I need your help. I'm on a terrible losing streak, and I just have to win this next annual Bird Movie Award. There's no doubt. I absolutely must have you as the star. Here, let me take care of this. Fred. Yay. Yeah. We need to give you a bird passport, darling. Step right over here. Da, da, da. The most important part of a passport is the picture, darling. You have to look flashy and stunning. Step over here and let's take the pic. Okay, put on a smile and stand still, please. Don't move. Nom, nom, nom. Let's see how the picture turned out. What? Darling, you moved. The picture's ruined. How could you? What are you doing? You ruined it. We gotta fix this ugly mug out of the whole magic photo doctoring. Here, take these markers and turn some of the most stylish, fashionable young lady. Go to your room, you young lady. Go to your room, walk in the door, you're in trouble out. You got it. Make a sandwich. Read a book. Draw a picture. You're grounded. Perfect. Let's slide this picture onto your passport, and here you go. One more passport for you. Teacher goes fatty. Nom, nom, nom. I'm legally a bird now. Wonderful, darling. Just wonderful. Meet me in the movie set tomorrow. It will make you a star. Goodbye, darling. Hey, what do you think you're doing? You can't just jump in and fiddle with the annual Bird Movie Awards. That's fraud! Fraud! Hey, everybody, we got a fraudster over here. Rosie Beat, Patrick. Rosie Beat, subscribe to the Orange Production Super Marios. Where are my owl gods at? Why are the owls so darn useless? Alright, listen here, lass. You're in big trouble. And we're helping that crooked DJ Cruz rig to awards. I got the DJ Cruz calling in command. DJ Cruz command calling in. DJ Cruz command calling in. That's right. You got to be the star of my movies too. Weed. Here, hold on to this movie, bro. Practice showing it off and bring it to my new movie tomorrow. You got that? Don't be late. The Bread TV, you got the Bread TV. Ding. DJ Goose Fatty. So remember to subscribe to Lightning McQueen Fan, Yonoshi Productions, and Paper Mario Artists for sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching.